Hey Gagan, just wanted to reach out and say thanks for all your help on getting us to the front end of the plane on our upcoming European trip from Perth to Europe, flying business class. As a novice around frequent flyer points, I never thought that we could accumulate the points that we were required to be able to get to the front end of the plane. And with your help, I figured out how to change a few things and make it so easier to accumulate the points, but more importantly, how to take advantage of the seats available on these long haul flights. And I'm really looking forward to our trip in 6 weeks' time, where it's a birthday present for myself and my wife, who turned 60 this year, that we're going to be able to fly in luxury on this long haul flight. So I can't thank you enough, and I look forward to you helping us going forward and open up this new world to flying at the front end of the plane. So if you're thinking about whether Gagan can help you or not, and you're a novice around frequent flyer, you'd love to get to the front end of the plane for a fraction of the cost, like literally less than 25% of the normal business class flight is what we pay to be able to get to the front end. It's extraordinary. So thanks again, and I look forward to you helping us in the future a bit more. Thanks, mate.